what's up guys? Welcome back to Austin's Off-Road Garage. Just wanted to jump on here real quick, kind of give you guys an update on some projects and update on the whole YouTube channel here. So first things first, I want to talk about, I just created a Facebook page for the YouTube channel basically. And what I want to do on there is start planning some local wheeling trips with you guys. I want to do project updates on there. We'll post videos up there. Just like things like that. I want to see your guys' rigs, post your rig on there, and we'll have front end Friday or whatever, those goofy things on the Facebook forums. But anyway, so another thing I want to talk about is we're so close to 1,000 subscribers, which I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. And if you haven't, please consider it. I want to get this thing as big as we can. I think it's pretty awesome. I thought I'd never even have 10 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. What I want to do is I want to do like a shirt giveaway. We'll throw in some stickers. We'll do something cool. Once we hit 1,000 subs, we'll do something about that. So thank you again, guys. And let's give you a little shop update on some projects we got going on. So I didn't want to just make that little 2-minute video, so I'll give you guys some updates of what we got going on in the garage. So currently on the 4Runner, we're doing some new body mount bushings, and it's kind of being a pain. We got a video coming on that. After that, I just bought these outboard shock hoops from Envision Fabrication to do outboard 12-inch shocks, so that's gonna be rad. We got some new Old Man Emu springs going in the rear as well. When I do the spring video, we're gonna kind of do springs and shocks at the same time. I'll explain why I changed direction on those. As far as this thing goes, I've just been kind of cleaning it up. There's a lot of wiring that I did back in the day. It was just trash. So we're cleaning that up. Actually gonna try and hit a trail possibly this weekend. Definitely get a video on that. FJ hasn't been touched in way too long. You guys need to get on there and tell me to finish that thing because it's gonna be so rad. This right here is probably gonna be the best thing this shop will ever get. 2-post lift coming soon. That's what I'm actually doing out here right now, is I'm gonna take some measurements and get pretty much a layout of where I want it, because we got some guys coming in a couple days to make sure my concrete in my floor is thick enough to support a lift. So we got tons of exciting things, guys, on this channel coming, and we're gonna continue to do it. We're gonna go on tons of wheeling trips. So like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please consider it, follow along. It's gonna be rad, dude. It's been fun so far. I've learned a lot. I'm still learning, so be patient. I mean, 6 months ago, I didn't even know how to make a video. So things are a little rough, still patchy, but I'm learning. I'm learning every day. So that's pretty much it. That's all I'm gonna give away for now. So yeah, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Those are like the 3 platforms that I use the most. So go check out that new Facebook page, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.